We are the TU Delft Hydro Motion team. We are a group of 25 students from 11 different study backgrounds. And in 1 year, we design, build, test and race a flying hydrogen-powered boat.
Climate change needs to be combated, and we know that we need new technologies for that. We need a lot of hydrogen for our mobility, the way we move, whether it's on land, in the air or on water.
Today we finally revealed our boat and we are so proud that we made our design reality.
So projects like these are very important for a clean future.
Because only by working together, we can accelerate the change in the maritime industry.